Magandang umaga. Gagawa ro ng ice cream siya. You make ice cream. Can opener?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Huh?
Wait, I open that.
I can open it.
I can handle. It's
You
okay.
can. I know you
Oh.
can.
Be careful, ha?
No can opener?
Nothing. This one. Only, wait. Ayan. Gagawa siya ng ice cream. Panoorin natin. I don't know how to make ice cream. Ako hindi marunong yan. He's using coconut milk and what is this? Mango.
We'll see how it turns out.
Show me how to make that. Isang condensed milk. Ayan ang condensed milk, mga Mars. Siya magtuturo sa akin paano gumawa. Ayan. Hindi kasi ako marunong. Mahilig ako mag-bake ng mga chocolate moist, leche flan, yon yung mga ganon. Pero pagdating sa ice cream, hindi. And then, my fresh milk. Pinaghalo niya yung fresh milk at saka yung condensed. Pero yung bilang ng measurement ng milk at saka condensed, parang tansya-tansya lang. Wow. Mahilig siya sa sweet. You like sweet, Jo? You like a sweet?
Yeah.
Isang latang gatas. Isang latang gatas ang nilagay niya. Hindi na niya yata ito lulutuin. Ilalagay na niya yata doon bigla. Tayo niluluto pa natin to, di ba? Ano kaya lasa ng ice cream niya? Ayan. Ilagyan pa niya ng fresh milk. Tapos, yung coconut naman. Coconut milk, hindi siya fresh. From the store lang. Naka-sachet ang ibig kong sabihin. Yan. Ayan, pinagsama-sama na. Isang buong coconut milk, isang latang condensed, tapos may fresh milk na kasama. I think 1:1. And then, Are you sure it's ice cream, Joe?
Where's that little pack you had?
For the milk?
No, the little thing you had. You just open the little thing.
Okay. Hanapin ko yung opener. Where did you put this one?
No, the other stuff. That stuff you had.
Gulaman. Ayun, hindi na niluto si gulaman. Ngayon ko lang to nalaman. Pwede palang hindi lutuin. Yan. Mango flavor. You want to some fruit, you put it? Some fruit?
Can? Yeah.
Okay, there is in the can. Sabi niya ice cream daw yun. Anong klaseng ice cream kaya? Ito, Joe. There is the can.
I see. I see.
Okay. Itaktak ang plastic.